Let's take a look at a trigonometry problem that's very commonly seen on typically their first exam here in Austin. Now, let's imagine that there's some ship out at sea. Let's call it the SS Crane, for example. And it's chugging along, it's got some cargo, it's expensive, we don't want it to sink, we're trying to get it to the shore. But we don't know how far away we are. However, in the distance, you see a beacon of hope shining bright in the night, letting us know that safety is on the horizon. We just need to get there. Now, our manual tells us that the height of this light tower itself is about 350 feet, and our tools on board show us that the angle from our current position in the sea, oh wow, it's terrible, but I'll fix it. Perfect. Nah, that's the lighthouse. The angle from the boat to the top of the lighthouse turns out to be 7 degrees. Question is, how far away are we from actually reaching the shore? Well, we can assume that this lighthouse is properly constructed, so it's at right angles to its surface because it's standing up. Boom! So really what this problem is going to boil down to is that we're dealing with a right triangle that has an inner angle of 7 degrees, and one of the lengths of the sides, the height in this case, is 350 feet. Question is, how far are we away from the shore? Well, let's label that as x. We don't know it, but we do know it exists because we are away from the shore. Let's figure that out. We have an angle, we have the opposite side of that angle, and we have the adjacent side of that angle. It's x, but we can work with that. Well, looking at trig, or using the tools from trig, we can use tangent, because the tangent of any angle is just equal to the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. So tangent is just the ratio between two sides of the triangle based upon a common angle. So here we know that we have a 7-degree angle, so the tangent of 7 degrees is going to equal 350 divided by whatever x is equal to. But that's what we're looking for. So solving for x is going to equal 350 divided by the tangent of 7 degrees. And if I go ahead and calculate that real quick, 350 divided by tangent of 7 degrees equals 2,850.52 feet, which is, a mile. No, it's not. There's like 5,100. Anyway, it's not a mile, but it's like half a mile or so. So that is the distance we are away from the shore. Very easy, just got to rely on the definition of tangent and identify that we are working with a right triangle situation.